أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي اللهم افتح علينا حكمتك وانشر علينا رحمتك يا ذا الجلال والإكرام اللهم إني أسألك علما نافعا وعملا متقبلا ورزقا طيبا. Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you all? Okay, hopefully you are doing well. Okay, today we are going to learn about databases. These are the table of content using Microsoft Access 2013. We will create database table. We will learn the basics of databases. So before going to start, I will discuss few things like these are the table of contents in front of you. What is meant by data? What is the difference between data information and what is meant by the data types? And what is database actually, and the purpose of database, why we create databases. So let's move to the next slide. What is data? Okay, data is a raw facts or figures. For example, your class is a data. It's a meaningless information. Your class 7. Whose class is this? Whose section is this? In which school that class is existing? Okay, so this is just a data. Your age, your name, these all are information are called just data. Address, phone number, email, passwords, date of birth, these all are called what? Data. So now we are going to see their data types. Data type means that, for example, your class is what? Your class is a number now, so we will store this as a integer data type in the form of numbers. Age is a number, height is a number, address is a short text, is a combination of special characters, text and numbers. Phone number, short text, because we will use dash as a special character. Email and password is a short text. Okay, and date of birth, obviously it's a date and time. Okay, short text, your class. Okay, number, these are different data types. Long text in address, phone number is a long text. Email, password, long text. Okay, then your date of birth is data type is date and time. We will see all these. So now what is the difference between data information? Data is unorganized, like your class, height, age, school name. It's just a data. It's a raw data. Raw facts about things may or may not be meaningful. For example, age, height, your name, text number, and all that, images. Now information, what is on the other hand information? Information is organized data. Organized data means that when you will put all that data information in the table in Microsoft Excel or in Access in an organized way, then it will become a information. In simple words, process data, when you will apply processing on the data, it will become a information. Process data is called information. It's meaningful data. For example, table, homework schedule is information. Then class timetable is information. Then video is information. Images are information. Then documents, etc. These all are called information. Now we are done with data and information. Now what is database? Database is a collection of organized data. In database we will create several tables. In one table you have unique fields. In unique field mean that your first name is a unique field, last name is a unique field, your email address, your password, these all are called unique fields. And when you will put the data of the students or any person in an organized way, it will become a record. Okay, then database is a collection of organized data in the form of tables which can update. You can update the table, you can delete the table. Okay, you can delete the field, you can retrieve. That retrieve means that you can extract the information by several ways. I will show you what are the several ways. So let's get back to load Microsoft Access. Click on start, then write on the start, write ACC, and you will find this at the top of your program, Microsoft Access. Click on it. Now here we will start from the blank database. Okay, here I need to give database name. For example, I'm going to write here monthly expenses. After writing this, you need to click on create. And you will find this interface by default. There are several tabs over here: home tab, create, external data, database tool, field, tables. So click on home and you will find this interface. On the top left corner you will see this view group here, view group. Click on the small arrow and go to design view. In the design view it will ask for the table name. So here you will write a table name. I'm going to write here monthly expenses. Okay, it's monthly expenses, so I will write here my month's name. For right now it's March, so I will write in March 2021. Then click on OK. In database, now I have successfully created one table. Now here's ID is a unique. Can you see here key over here? It's a primary key and its data type is auto number. Whenever, what is meant by auto number? Whenever you will enter any record, it will be incremented by 1. So let's enter the field. Okay, monthly expenses. So food is one data type. Sorry, it's a field name. Can you see here? It's written field name and data type over here. So food, how much we are spending every month on the food. So we will use is number. Okay, then I will write here educations. How much you are spending money on education. It should be number. Then next one is yes, rent. Monthly rent of your house. It should be number. I'm setting these all fields quickly. Now your telephone, how much we are spending on our mobile phone. Telephone bill, let's say it's telephone bill monthly. So okay, now electricity. Electricity bill. The next one is now saving. I have to save money as well. It's very important. Now I have successfully entered my all fields here in design view and I have selected a specific data type. Now let's move towards entering the data sheet view. Now click on the view, data sheet view. Now you must save your table. Now yes, save it. Now let's start entering your information over it. Now monthly on food, I'm let's suppose I'm spending on food 5,000 rupees. Okay, on education per month I'm spending, let's say, 2,500 rupees. On house rent I'm paying, let's say, 12,000. Telephone bill, supercard and all that, let's say you can resize. Can you see here I have resized my field. This was not visible, that's why I click here and then click hold and stretch. Okay, now telephone bill, let's suppose 1,000 per month I'm spending on my telephone bills. Now electricity bill, now let me increase the width. Okay, now here on electricity bill, let's suppose 4,000 rupees and saving, and I'm also saving money. So let's say 5,000 I'm saving money. So this is one record and okay, fine, that's one record added. If I write something over here, let's say 5,000 here, then on education next month that one, and rent 8,000. I'm just entering the random record here. 2,000 mobile phone, electricity bill 1200, and the saving, sorry, 1200, no, saving is 2000 per month. Can you see here ID is automatically incremented by 1. I'm not changing over here, it's written here new. Okay, now let's save our work. Right click here, save, right click save, right click close. That's how. Now double click here. In the month of March 2021, I'm spending that much amount on my different miscellaneous records. Okay, food, education, rent, telephone, electricity bill, savings, and all that. Okay, hopefully you have got it how to enter the data, how to create a database, and um, how to create fields, and how to select a specific data type. In the next session, in the next tutorial, I will teach you how to create forms and how to enter your data with the help of form. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Take care. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and please comment for your suggestion. Allah Hafiz. Take care.